Are joint or muscle pain taking a toll on your productivity and overall well-being? Today, I'm going to show you how to make a super easy and effective 2-ingredient rub that will help you get back on track. Welcome to my channel. I'm Mel, a registered holistic nutritionist and Reiki master dedicated to helping you navigate the world of natural nutrition and holistic wellness amidst a hectic lifestyle. If you're a busy professional like me, you know how inflammation can really slow you down. Today, we're exploring an easy 2-ingredient natural recipe consisting of coconut oil and cayenne pepper. This combo will transform into a beautiful therapeutic rub that you can take with you wherever you go. Coconut oil is great for its anti-inflammatory properties, and cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, which helps to reduce pain. In fact, there are ample ways to reduce inflammation and get your health on the right track through natural ways, and I've compiled them all within my Leading with Wellness guide, where you will find natural remedies for the world's most complex systemic ailments, along with therapeutic food suggestions, herbal recommendations, the quickest health hacks, and so much more. Grab yourself a copy. You can find the link in my description below. Okay, are you ready to create this most amazing rub? Let's get started. So what you're going to need is half a cup of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper, a small saucepan, and a small glass jar. You want to ensure that the coconut oil that you're using is a good quality organic brand. But if you can't get your hands on an organic brand, then as long as it's cold pressed, then it's all you need. Because the reality is not everyone can justify the investment of organic, and I get it. I'm not here to make you spend top dollars. I'm here to educate you on how you can do things to the best of your ability and get the right results. Also, you want to ensure that your cayenne pepper is finely ground so that when you mix it in with the coconut oil, it will mix well. So now what you're going to do is you're going to add your coconut oil to your saucepan. You're going to add your cayenne pepper and you're going to mix it, put it on your stove on very, very low, watch that it doesn't burn, and for about 5 minutes, allow it to simmer. Now, I'm not set up here for you to actually watch me do it, but I'm going to break away, get that done, and come right back to show you. All right, so once it's done, you're going to pour it into a glass jar. So as you can see, it's all liquidy. I'm going to pour it into this glass jar, and then I'm going to store it into my fridge. All right. Now it's very liquidy right now, but once it's in the fridge, I guess my jar wasn't large enough, and that's okay. Once you store it in the fridge for about, 15 minutes, it's going to harden, my friend. All right, and that's what you want because you're going to use this harden. It's easier, it'll spread easier, and it's not going to make that mess. Okay, so you're going to put that on the area of your body where you have inflammation, right? Lower back, knees, wherever it may be. Rub it in really, really well and let it be. Now remember, it is oily, so it can stain your clothes, so be careful with that. If you need to put a cloth over it, you can do that. So you're going to put that on your body, and I need you to remember this. You need to go wash your hands thereafter because this cayenne pepper will remain on your fingers, and if you touch your eyes, it's not going to be a good experience. And you're going to love this, my friends, because the coconut oil is going to moisturize your skin, and the cayenne pepper is going to help to reduce that inflammation and pain. It's a natural and effective remedy that you can easily make at home in just 5 minutes. And there you have it, my friends, a simple DIY coconut oil and cayenne rub for joint pain. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to more DIY remedies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.